ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis in my last video, since the price was within here, we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. But if you refer to my last analysis when the price was here, I mentioned the way reversing is very corrective, and we discussed how we can look for trade, either buy or sell. And I was keep highlighting if we have to see the deeper correction before we take the next trade. And when we see this one, then this is where we could look for, we could expect for price to continue. And even we mentioned if we want to look for buy, either we put our entry above here or we look for the sharp move flag. But for me, when I see this one as a correction, we could put in relative to this. Even what we get here is not really good trade setup to look for buy. But whenever we see here, we could put our entry either above here or here. And if anyone get the trade within here, which is a really short-term trade, either move the stop loss to break even or take out the trade for profit. And right now we're looking at this. If you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it, but we need to see the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective move. All right. And again, whoever get the trade, move their stop loss to break even. And if you move to daily chart, what we're looking for as a long term, we're looking for buy. That means we can put this one in relative to this. If every time we discuss about this flat, and that's why I mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And with the breakout of the all-time high, the targets I'm looking for is 5.5 following by 7K. For sure, the best things is if the price could drop and break the lowest price of this correction, at least. The best things was lowest price of this shadow, right? Because as we can see from here, the price tagged the lowest price of this correction. All right. By the way, if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. First, we get the trade and we trade within the correction. If the price could break this correction, it's good for us. And just to make it very simple, if you get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And if you move to forward chart, we're looking for the reversal. That's why if you get any opportunity for buy within this range, we will take it. And we need to see the breakout of the previous top. All right. And still we can look for 4430 as a first target, following by 4670 as a second target. And the breakout of this zone to confirm we are within the uptrend really important for us, because if the price reverse and we see there is no continuation and couldn't break the previous top, still we can expect this one turn to flat in relative to this for the next drop. If I want to sell, look for sell, this is where I'm looking for sell. Selling at this point, it doesn't mean the price cannot drop, but I'm not, my preference is to see the continuation before I look for sell. And at this point, based on forward or 1 hour chart, if you get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And we need to see the breakout of the previous top, which is 4230. Then if we see there is a continuation, we keep the trade. All right. Anyway, at this point, if we get any opportunity for buy, we consider as a short term. What I mean by short term, as long as we get into the profit, we have to move our stop loss to break even. Because if the price continues a sharp move, similar to what we get here, is good for us. If it turns to a corrective move, we shouldn't keep the trade. Or even if you want to keep the trade, at least we should move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.